easy dismantling of the fuel tank on your KLX 250 300 with fuel injection. Let's start with take off the seat. You have to take off this bolt here, and if your seat strap is on, you also have to take off the whole cover to get the screw behind here. You have to take off the screws of the front cover, of course left and right. This one is a longer one, these are two shorter ones. So your bike will look like this now. You have to take off these two hoses. One is the drain hose for the fuel tank, and the other one is the breathing hose for the fuel tank. It's done pretty easy. You just have to get this little clamp push together and slide down. You now see it. And then you can easily take off the hose. And the same to the rear one. And now if you want, you can take this to this side. When you assemble back the fuel tank, you see the different lengths here, so it's no problem to find the right one for the right spot on the tank. Get in some fabric, because when you take off the hose, a little bit of fuel will come out. So try to get it somewhere in here as good as you can. So you like this, it's good. Next is to open the red locker. This is done by using a flat little screwdriver and pull down this red locker. Take care, if you do it too strong, the red part can get out completely. And now you can pull back the whole connecting part. Maybe it's a little bit difficult, but not that much. You see it's moving off, and now some fuel will drain out here, and probably also of this part here. On mine it's not, because my fuel tank is empty. You have to disconnect the electric connector which goes to the fuel pump. There is a small flap. This you have to push up, and then you can pull out the connector. Now you can take off this screw, and also on the right side the one on the top of the tank. Take off the tank pretty easy, just be careful a little bit with the wire that goes to the fuel pump. And for assembling, you just have to do it the opposite way. When you assemble the tank, take care to route the fuel hose into this line here. So bring back the screws and bolt on the tank. 1, 2, and on the right side. Connect the electric cable. When you bring back the fuel hose, make sure that the connector is completely on. If it's not, you cannot push down the red locker, so you have to push it down complete, and then you can lock. Push on the connector completely and lock it with the red locker. Now bring back the two hoses. They are behind the big black one. One and two, and then connect to the tank. Start with the rear, it's easier. And then to the other one. Bring back these little clamps. And it's done. Bring back the radiator covers. And at the end the seat. You have one hook here, at the opposite on the tank, and the other hook is here. And now fix the seat. So that's it. Thanks for watching.